Yoshi's Kitchen. Before we start our video, I want to apologize for not making videos for a long time. But as you all know, we've been in school, so we're very busy. But today we're gonna make some scrumptious sunny side up. So first we need to follow my 3 rules. We need to wash our hands, wear an apron to protect ourselves from the messes, and also ask an adult to help us when we're using the knives, the stove, and the oven. So let's go wash our hands. And now let's wear our apron. Okay, now that we put on our apron, I want to say something very exciting happened on my birthday, and my auntie Alora got me this wonderful birthday present so I can use it for my channel. So we're still learning how to use it because it's very technical, but we're gonna use a few things inside. So let's open it. So inside we have a virtual reality goggles. And you got a cookbook and lots of utensils inside, so let's see what's inside. So as you can see, we've got lots of utensils. We've got a poacher, we've got our measuring cups, we've got a mixer. So we've got lots of stuff. So I want to say I love you, Auntie Laura, and thank you for my birthday present. Okay, so these are our virtual reality goggles. So we're still learning how to use them, but they are really cool. So what we can do is we can look at recipes inside our book, and we can watch our chefs make our food. So it's very exciting. So let's see what we're going to be using today. So today we're going to be using a flipper and a spatula. Okay, because these are very new, we need to just rinse them quickly. So let's do that. Dry our utensils now quickly. Okay, so now we need to put our frying pan on so it can start heating. So we're going to put it on medium heat, which on my stove is number 4. So we're just going to allow it to heat up for a while. So now that our frying pan has heated up, we can crack our eggs into, we can put our butter in. So I'm just going to pick our cube up and put it in and allow it to melt. Okay, so we need, while this is melting, we should try and crack our eggs. We're putting it into a small bowl so that the eggshells do not go into the pan. So let's start cracking. But first, should we wash our eggs? So I'm going to take the whole bowl and wash them. And now we can crack our eggs. Let's crack our eggs. So we're going to crack it on the side of our bowl, or we could use a fork. So now that we've cracked our egg into the bowl, we can pour it into our pan. So we're going to pour it into our pan, and we can season it. So we got our black pepper and our salt, so we can sprinkle a little on. And some black pepper. Now let's wait until our white part of the egg is caked. So as I think all of you know, lots of people have different ways of making sunny side up. I love my sunny side up where the yolk is not runny and it's well done, but my mom likes it very runny. So we're going to make 2 different types of sunny side up. Okay, so now because this is my mom's runny egg, we're not going to flip it, so she likes them very runny. So let's put it onto the plate. Here is a delicious runny sunny side up. So now we're going to make my egg. So we're always going to crack our egg on a flat surface because it's better, so that the shells don't go inside the egg. So now we can pour our egg in again. And quickly season it. And some black pepper. So now, since I'm making my well done eggs, I'm going to flip it the other side. So now we're going to flip my egg into our plate. A well done egg. Okay, so now that we're done with our scrumptious sunny side up, let's go test it and see how delicious it tastes. So as you can see, our delicious scrumptious sunny side up is complemented with some bread, carrot and cucumber. So our guest here, Daniela, is going to taste it.
So I'm gonna taste I have both. So I'm gonna taste the runny one and the runny side one and the well done one. I'm gonna stop the well done. Tastes good. I'll turn for the runny side one. They both taste good, but I'm gonna have to go with the well done one. Tastes better.
Okay, so as you all can see, I love sunny side up, so I hope you like my video and you will be having sunny side up for your breakfasts. Bye guys, and see you next time. Mishy's Kitchen!